How you doing, everybody? Jim Schroeder here, your Who's Your Auto Guy here at Kia of Bradley in Bradley, Illinois. And today, showing off one of the new vehicles we have here that just came in recently. This is the 2025 Kia K4 GT Line Turbo. So this is the replacement for the Forte GT. It's now called the K4, and it's the GT Line Turbo is the trim level now. So 2.0 turbo motor. This thing will absolutely scoot. This has got the tech package. It's got the red interior. It does look a little different here in the video than it does in real life. It's a little darker than what it shows on the videos. I did notice that, so it's hard to get the color to be perfect, but it gives you a great idea, and it looks gorgeous. Got charge ports back here for people sitting in the back, vents. This one is loaded with everything, including the oversized sunroof up there. It's got the tech package. Love these wheels here. Jump inside, remote start, loaded up with everything. It's got the digital dash with the surround view camera and the blind spot monitors as well. And we can shut this door here. I'll go ahead and fire it on up, and then we'll take a look. Oh, memory driver seat here, heated and ventilated front seats. And like I said, a memory driver seat here as well. And we'll take a look and go over it all. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and start her on up here. Get the door open for ventilation. Fire it on up. I did close the sunroof here for a second. I don't know if you can see this or not, but there is ambient lighting in the door armrest there, up there, and you can change the color too. But it's got a great look a little bit over here and along this door as well too. But it's got a great look, and like I said, you can change the colors and everything there too. And I'm just gonna hit the switch there. Got a power shade, and like I said, is the nice oversized sunroof there too. So it's a little bigger than normal. Again, we've got the blind spot cameras for both sides. I believe Honda has it as well too, but theirs is just on the passenger side, and I think it's just located in the stereo. They don't give you both sides; they only give you one. But absolutely loaded up, wireless phone charger, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So once you pair your phone and everything, you can use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto without having it plugged in, and just still be able to charge it. All right, and you still have regular charge ports down here too. The middle one also changes between data and power, just power. I believe that is so for people like myself who have a dash cam that hooks up wirelessly. You can still do the wireless dash cam to your cell phone and still take advantage of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, just plugging it in, because cell phones can't do two wireless at the same time. I believe that's what that's for. But fantastic, got navigation built in here, all kinds of different settings and customizations that you can do to the vehicle. Memory driver seat, there are two drivers, and it's got heated and ventilated seats here too. So you got your heated there, and the controls are in the doors now. So it's a neat, different place to put it and everything, and I kind of like it there. So it frees up more room and everything, so you're not so much going on down here. You've got your auto hold, all kinds of different stuff, your backup cameras and the sensors and everything. Here's the other neat thing too. Not only does it have the backup sensors and the forward collision avoidance sensors, but also has side sensor. Okay, I thought I'd show you real quick what I was talking about. So see down there, the green one means that there's something right behind me. I don't know if you can hear the beeping or not. And then the yellow is showing me that there's something on each side. There's your backup camera. There's the surround view as well. So I'm going to back up here. And as I move into the bay, you'll notice that the backup sensors notice that there's nothing behind me anymore, and the side sensors actually have a front one as too. So there's front side sensors and rear side sensors as well. So it's just letting me know that there's something close to you on the side, so be careful, don't cut it, things like that. And there's your front sensors kicking in. Absolutely fantastic. I love all the things you can do with this. Here is the front camera as well, and I believe, is it this one? Yep. So the vehicle is fake, but everything around it is real. It's using those cameras that are all around the car, so you can actually see what's around you and check it all out and everything. You can go back, there's your backup camera, and you can either choose side-by-side larger. There's your backup camera, full view as well. So it's absolutely awesome. You can customize this any way you want. Here to the navigation, and then you can have the whole screen be your navigation if you want. We get rid of that. There we go. You've got different looks for it. I like this one. It's kind of like a 3D view. So as you're driving, it's like you're driving into the horizon. And bring this back out here. There we go. And then you got your mini map. You can have your clock. And I notice also you can change the way the clock faces look and everything too. If that's something that you're into, compass, you can actually tilt that a different way as well too. You can have your calendar tied in there. You can have the weather and everything once Kia Connect is activated, which is awesome. The nice other change they've done for 2025 is the Kia Connect that used to be free for a year is now free for 3 years. It's an awesome app. I love it. I've got it on my car. It's absolutely fantastic. Not only do you have the remote start with the key fob, which I believe you got to be within like 100 feet or so, something like that, to start the car. You also have remote start on your phone now with the vehicle with that app. You can start your car, and you can be in California and start your car here back in the Chicago area if you wanted to. But you can lock and unlock your doors, start your car. If you can't find your car, you can locate it on the map. You can make the horn and the lights go off. God forbid if your car gets stolen. Once you make the police report, after the police report's done, the police can actually call Kia, and Kia will tell them where the car is at. So it's a lot of great features in there. You can even there's like a teen driving mode, or I call it mom mode, to where if you have teenagers driving, you can put a geo fence up, and if they go outside of that area or over a certain speed or out past a certain curfew time, you would get text alerts. So a lot of great features in that app, and that comes standard for 3 years now. But I just love the way this looks. It's the Kia K4. This is the replacement for the Forte. So the 2025s are no longer called the Forte, they're called the K4s. And they just did, with the remodel of this, they've done such a fantastic job. I love this dash. This is actually 3 separate screens, but it looks like it's all one big screen there. You even have, with the GT Line Turbo, these are your heating and air conditioning controls there, but you also still have hard redundant buttons to push back, to adjust and everything as well too. So they give you the options to do it the way you like it to be. A lot of people like the digital stuff. Some people, like, hey, I don't want to do all the fancy stuff up there. I just like it to be quick and easy right down here. So you get that as well too. Volume is now a little roller knob here in the center. There used to be like that. I used to have a Sorrento. I think it was a 15 or a 16, and the Sorrento was like that as well too. And you also still have that same controls here in the steering wheel too. Absolutely gorgeous. Love all the features in here. I can't go through them all. There's just tons and tons of them. All kinds of great stuff in here. I'm going to get out and show you the window sticker. Actually, I'll put a copy of the window sticker up here on the screen. You can see all the great features that are on here. Absolutely awesome. The color is called Interstellar Gray, and this is the red interior line package. Oh, I also love the back of the headrest here. Kind of shaped like that, so you can hook a purse on the back or your coat. So if you're on those long trips in the wintertime, you got your winter coat, instead of having it bunched up around your waist, you can just hang it over the back of the seat there, and that's out of your way. And for you ladies, the purse, you can just hang your purse there and it's out of the way. You don't have to worry about it being down here on the floor, or if somebody gets in, they got to put it in the back, and then it could be tumbling around in the back and all that. So yeah, absolutely gorgeous. Love these vehicles. Different drive modes. You can switch between sport mode and normal mode, and this thing will get up and go. Okay, I also wanted to give you a quick look at what the lights look like. Love this. These actually are the fog lights here. And you got the LED lights, LED daytime running lights. I love it. I believe they call this a star map pattern there now. Absolutely gorgeous. I'll come around here, I'll show you the back. And LED lights, tail lights back here as well too. Absolutely gorgeous. Kia's just knocked it out of the park. Don't forget, you get the 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty with all new Kias. 5 years or 60,000-mile bumper-to-bumper limited warranty with them. And then when you buy a vehicle from me here at Kia of Bradley in Bradley, Illinois, if you do your regular maintenance with us, your oil changes are free for as long as you own the vehicle. So you could have this thing for 10 years, 15 years, and you will still be getting free oil changes from us when you do your regular maintenance with us here. So if you have any questions, let me know. My number is right there at the bottom of the screen. You can call me. I'm here every day but Tuesdays. That number is my cell phone, however, so you can always call and text me. If I don't answer right away, just go ahead and leave a message. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. We are located in Bradley, Illinois, just over the border from Indiana, about an hour south of Chicago, and we're just north of Kankakee. Thank you so much. I'll talk to you soon, and have a great day.